First of all, I think one of the things that's pretty fascinating is that it's quite likely that as soon as I give this answer, the market and expectations for our customers are going to change. And so there's always a little bit of a fear of being outdated in some of this. But here's what we're kind of seeing so far. I want to talk about two main points. Number one, we are very much living in the agentic world. And so the days of a single prompt where you are sending information to the model and getting information back, I think those days are going to be far behind us. It's going to be multi-turn, multi-conversations to ensure that we're providing the information that our customers and the market is ultimately looking for. I think the second thing is, in a world where we're moving towards a cookieless environment, how do our marketers tailor their message, tailor their products to specific individuals? Us as customers, we value our privacy and some of the anonymous natures that the internet provides. But we do want specificity when our marketers are collaborating, reaching out to us. I want to make sure that you are providing me opportunities and deals that are based for me. And so how we provide that information back to our market and brand agencies, I think that's going to be a place where we need to accelerate that part of the business moving forward.